Jeremy and Michael played a game similar to picking blue, just like we played in class. The following results are from their research using the same two bags. So we have Jeremy's set of research and Michael's in two separate tables. One says if all you knew about the bags were the results of Jeremy's research, which bag would you select for the game and explain your answer? Well, from Jeremy's bag A, we know that 8 of the ones he picked were blue, and the total amount of chips he picked was 2 plus 8, which is 10. So bag A, from what we know about Jeremy's research, has a probability of 0.8. B, he chose 7 blue chips out of 10 chips total, which has a 0.7 probability. So based on those numbers, I would choose bag A. And as long as you show your work, that can be used to explain your answer. You could say 0.8 is greater than 0.7. It has a higher likelihood of choosing blue. In number 2, it says if all you knew about the bags were the results from Michael's research, which bag would you select? Well, for bag A in Michael's experiment, he got 12 out of 28 plus 12 makes 40. And for bag B, he had 18 out of 40. Based on these, you could change them to decimals or you could leave them as fractions. I would choose bag B because 18 out of 40 is more than 12 out of 40. In number 3, it says, does Jeremy's research or Michael's research give you a better indication of the makeup of the blue and red chips in each bag? Explain why you selected this research. Like we talked about in class, the more times you repeat an experiment, the closer you're going to get to that theoretical probability, the one we expect to happen. So because Michael completed the experiment more times, his research is more reliable. So I would choose Michael. And then my reason is also provided.